All right, last but not least, well, we have a bunch of transformations right here. Based on this +5, it has moved to the left 5 units. So right here. And by the way, if you know how to read all these transformations, you would enjoy taking the SAT at least for a little bit, because the SAT definitely has some transformations in there. All right, all right. So what X value would you propose over here? -4, because that would give you a number 1 inside the parentheses. So you have a log base 3 of 1 times 2, which is 0. 0 minus 1 is -1. So 4 comma -1. All right, what's the next value we propose? -2. Okay, so if you put -2 there, -2 times -2 plus 5, it's -2 plus 5, it's what? -2 plus 5, it's 3. Log base 3 of 3 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 would be 1. So right here. All right, and then one more point you propose. 4. Oh, 4 is nice. 4 plus 5 is 9. Log base 3 of 9, it's 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. All right, got the 3 points, and then we can go ahead and make a nice graph. But now, while we can write our domain and range, we've got to figure out our x-intercept. What would that be? Well, 0 is equal to 2 log base 3 of x plus 5 minus 1. So the first step is to add the 1. What's the next step? Divide by 2. Okay. And now you think about it. Why do we have 1/2 on the left? Well, the only reason is because x plus 5's got to be 3 to the 1/2 power, which is what's the other way to write 3 to the 1/2 power? Square root of 3, all right? So that means x is equal to square root of 3 minus 5. So I can just go ahead, put down square root of 3 minus 5, comma 0. Now, it may look ugly. It is ugly. Square root of 5 minus 5, it's square root of 3 minus 5. It is an ugly presentation of a number, but you should not just say, let me go ahead and look at the graph and just come up with a random number to write in here. Nope, you should not. You do not need a calculator to find out the value, because you have to round the number at the end, so that would not be an exact answer. And for those who are going to pre-calc next year, you're going to see some presentation of numbers like this a lot of times. Okay, so this is how we present our exact answer. So how do you feel about graphing? Easy? Hard? Okay, I think the only thing that's slightly harder would be to figure out some not so friendly x-intercepts, but everything else, it's really about how you come up with the x value to make your life easy. If you know what you're doing, coming up the x value will be very easy, and it should be a very lovely exercise for you to do. And you may try the practice problems on the next page. The 1/2, it's after we get the after we move the 1 to the left, we'll divide it by the 2, because there's a 2 right here. So we divide by 2 first. The 3 right here, because we are asking the question. Well, log base 3 of a number gives you 1/2, right? What must this number be? It must be 3 to the 1/2. Because that's the only reason, like, because think about this, log base 3, 3 to the 1/2 power, right? That's equal to 1/2. So that means the x plus 5 must equal to 3 to the 1/2. Okay.